Hello, friends. Hope you're all doing good. Today, I want to give you an idea about the shopping list for a family of four persons with respect to beverages, fruits, and snacks required for the family. So, first, let us look at the monthly shopping list for hot beverages. So, the requirements would be sugar 1 kg and brown sugar, that is Nattu Sakkarai 1 kg. So, if you don't have the habit of using brown sugar, you can accordingly increase the quantity of sugar. But if you are using brown sugar, generally you may need to use it more if you are using 1 spoon of sugar, normal sugar, in the same place you may need to use 2 spoons of brown sugar because the sweetness level will be much lesser. So accordingly, you can decide and buy. But brown sugar is suggested because it is very good for health, especially for diabetes. And you can also buy sugar free powder 250 grams if you completely want to avoid any kind of sugar. And then you can buy filter coffee powder 1 kg, and instant coffee can be 250 grams. If you don't have the habit of using filter coffee, then you can increase the instant coffee powder to 500 grams. And filter coffee, we will not be using the 1 kg in one go. So we have to refrigerate it and use it accordingly. Like if you can prepare it once in 3 days or so, you may need to use some 150 grams out of the 1 kg. So you need to store it in refrigerator and then use. And then tea powder, you can buy 500 grams. And then you can buy Boost or Horlicks, some drink, especially if there are children, or even sometimes the elders might want to take Boost or Horlicks instead of coffee or tea. So it is advisable to buy it in sachets instead of 500 grams or 1 kg uh, packs. It is better to buy as sachets. Sachets are available because these Boost and Horlicks, if we don't use it regularly, or if by mistake if some water enters inside the pack, it becomes clogged. Okay, it spoils easily, so better to buy a sachets and use it then and there. Next is oats. If you have the habit of taking oats porridge, you can go for 250 grams of oats, and cornflakes 250 grams. So oats and cornflakes, I have put 250 grams because we may not use it regularly. But if you have the habit of taking it every single day, then you might have to increase the quantity accordingly. So as I told you earlier, out of these 10 items, filter coffee powder needs to be stored in refrigerator. So next we will see the monthly shopping list for cold beverages. So you can buy any one fruit squash 500 ml, like we get orange squash, lemon squash and so on. So it will be useful if some guest comes, or even during the evenings children can take. So we need to buy one fruit squash. Then there are also sugar free fruit squashes available, so that also we can buy and keep, like, because if elders want to have juice, and if they have diabetes, or even otherwise just you want to avoid sugar, then you can go for sugar free fruit squash 500 ml. Then you can also buy and keep rose milk syrup 500 ml. This will be useful, especially when children don't want to take milk. So that time, if you mix with rose syrup and give, they will happily take. And even for elders, sometimes during the hot afternoons, instead of taking a hot drink like coffee or tea, we can go for rose milk. So that also you can buy. So all these three items, like the normal fruit squash, sugar free fruit squash, and also rose milk syrup, we need to store it in refrigerator. And then we'll see the weekly shopping list for fruits and snacks. So it is always better to buy banana regularly every week. So it is good for everyone for digestion and so on. So banana we can buy 1 kg, and every week we can buy any other fruit for 1 kg. Like one week you can buy apple, another week you can buy oranges or guavas and so on. So that can be 1 kg. And you can buy some plain biscuits like Mary biscuit or Britannia milk bikkies. You can buy some 100 grams. And then you can also buy cream biscuits if there are children. You can buy some 200 grams of cream biscuit. Then you can buy potato chips salted. salted is better than the flavored one, just plain salted one. And then there are banana chips that also you can buy for some 100 grams. And then you can buy sandwich bread. It is available in 400 grams pack. So you can buy sandwich bread one pack and milk bread one pack. So these can be used as snacks or fruits for a week. So, see, you need to refrigerate the bread always. Both the sandwich bread and the milk bread should be refrigerated and used. The other snacks need not be refrigerated. But if you are going to open the biscuits and chips and not consuming it fully, then you need to store it in airtight containers and use. Otherwise, no need to keep the fruits in the fridge because sometimes it becomes black in color, like it ripens too much and becomes black in color. So, better to avoid storing fruits because we are going to consume it within a week. We can store it outside and use. So the finally we come to monthly shopping list for snack accompaniments. That is, see here you have the sandwich bread and milk bread, which can be combined with sauce and fruit jam and eaten. That is, for sandwich bread you can use tomato sauce, and for milk bread you can use fruit jam. So both you can buy some 250 ml, 250 grams of fruit jam and use it. You need to refrigerate both and use. So, so this is to give you an overall idea of the requirements for beverages, fruits, and snacks for a family of four. Hope this would be useful to you. Thank you.